Dike, the strongest man in this forest and beyond. Man born of a woman that has killed 10 lions and 5 tigers with my bare hands. I killed them. I love women, but I sell them to the white man for more money and cowries. And to you, haters, I have good news for you. Take, haters! Take and drown! Quiet. You all will be well fed. And I want all of you to eat your food well. The white men are coming to take you to their country. As a matter of fact, they are on their way now. 15 of you will be selected. This one will be selection. Starts now. This one will be good. You think we are here for your crocodile tears?
How dare you! Bastards!
Please don't take me, please! Leave me alone!
Bastards! Shut up! Beef!
Those of you that are not selected can go back to your entry. Is that clear? Is that
Masukila yana tiara tiara. When you're you are not a tiara. It's a baba ida da de. Ikoko sane ada.
You cannot go. Go? No. Are you challenging me? I say you cannot go.
Challenging you? I can't challenge you, but
where is Dike?
Dike is in the hut, still sleeping.
Is he sleeping?
You
cannot go. Go.
I should join them.
I say go.
Touch me, you wicked man. I will do worse than spitting on you.
You
wicked
call
man.
me a wicked man?
Yes, that's what you are.
See, I am the next man after Dike. And you don't tell me I'm the strongest among all.
No, please. No.
Amod, I don't understand you anymore. I don't understand you. You don't understand me. I am the strongest. The next after Dike. That is why I am called Amobi.
Amobi, you have to prove it to me.
I have to prove it.
You have to prove it.
Do you want to challenge me?
Yes, Amobi.
Do you want to challenge me? Amobi, I said you have to prove it. You want to challenge me?
I say with you. Please, I beg you.
Say with you. Please, my life, please. What? She tried to escape. What? Yes, you tried to escape. Come here. Bring her here. You tried to escape. So you think you can run away from this Sambitu forest?
Never.
Where decay is the only God you see. Go and give her wings of cane. Go and deal with her. Take care.
Amobi, you still have to prove me that you're the strongest in this forest.
My love, Adam, I love you very much, and I can't wait for you to be my wife.
My friends, do you think I'll ever be your wife in this life? Your parents want you to get married from a royal family because you are also from a royal family. Besides, I'm still young.
Adam, see, look. I am matured enough, and no one will tell me who to get married to, okay?
I did. Yes.
Dickie is very good man.
Yeah.
I like the business with him.
I like this picture.
Adama, where are you coming from?
I went to see Ago. He sent for me.
You went to see Ago. Adama, do you want to bring problem to me? Eh? Ago's parents don't want you. You are a commoner. They want Ago the prince to marry another princess from another kingdom.
But
what is it now?
But, Mama, we are just friends and nothing more.
Will you shut up? How can you, a commoner, be friends with the prince? Eh? Ada, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I don't want problem. Oh. Please don't bring problem to me. Please.
Okay. I've heard you. Let me prepare what you want.
So tell me, where have you been?
Father, I have been with Adama. And I stopped them from coming with me. Yes, because there is nothing they will be doing there.
Prince Ago, are you sure you are okay? How many times have I warned you not to see that girl again? How many times?
Father, I heard it all the times you've said it. But can't you see I can't do without her? She is all I want in a woman. Please respect my wish.
Now listen to me. The next time I see you with that girl, you will have yourself to blame. Did you hear me? Now leave my presence immediately. What is wrong with you?
Good afternoon. Get me this.
This one.
This one.
You, come here. Thomas!
Turn it out. Don't bother.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We are here for the assignment.
Okay.
So, I think I will take this.
This. Come here. You need to shut up! Shut up! Bastard! I said earlier, DK sends his greetings.
Return to us.
You! Follow them to the super with the slave girls. Out, everybody! Yeah, you out!
I made your favorite, plantain and palm oil. Stop rushing it now. There's enough for both of us.
Mama.
Greetings, my queen.
Save your useless greetings. I have come to talk to you about what has been disturbing me. Your daughter, Adamma, does not want to stay away from my son, the prince of this land. I have invited you severally to the palace to warn her. Yet, she keeps on pestering him. Why?
My queen, I've warned her severally, but she will not listen to me.
Young lady, you heard what your mother just said. Is that true?
Yes, Your Majesty. It's true. But
I don't want to hear any bets. Stay away from my son. Else, you will be banished from this land. And you know what it means. I've made myself clear.
Adamma, you heard what the queen said. If we are banished from this village, where else can we go to?
it's okay, Mama. I won't see him again.
Is that a promise? It's okay, but please sit down.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. I am here to see my wife to be, of course.
Please leave. I am not your wife to be. And I can never be your wife to be. Just go. Don't ever come here again. And don't put me in trouble.
And I have told you so many times that I love you so much. And one day you'll become my wife.
Stop it. Your mother, the queen, came here and said, I'll be banished if I'm seen around you again. So just go. Don't come here again.
Do you believe that? Ada, come, let's sit down.
Please, don't come to my house again.
Ada? Adam!
You are the only one that I want. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
Mother, I went to Adamma's house and her attitude towards me was so bad. And when I asked why, she told me you had been there earlier to warn her never to be seen with me. Else she'll be banished from this kingdom. Why?
Who is Adamma? A nobody, a commoner. But you, my son, you are the prince of this land, the heir to the throne. You came from a royal family. Besides that, you have already been betrothed to a princess right from birth.
Who is the princess? Njideka. Is it Princess Njideka? Well, let me bring to your notice that I don't like her. And you see that commoner Adamma? She is the one I love.
You love Adamma. You can go ahead and love her. But one thing for sure is that you will never, ever get married to her. Njideka wins. She is yours.
treating me this way? Don't I have the right as an adult to marry whoever I want to get married to? The cause of our land. What do I do? I am confused here.
The only man I've ever loved, Ago. His parents don't want us to be together or seen anywhere together. Gods of our land, may your wish come true.
Anyanwu, my prince, I want you to run to Adamma's place now. Do anything to make her come here with you. Bring her to our usual place. Okay?
Yes, my prince.
Now go.
Anyanwu, why are you running so fast?
The prince just hung himself.
What did you say?
Yes.
How? When? Where?
In the bush, where you people do meet.
No.
Let's go.
No. Anyanwu, where's Ago? Where's Ago? Why are you keeping quiet? Where is he? Talk to me, where's Ago?
Adamamo, nwamu chimono. Obimo dala mechamo. Unyemo enene bejolo.
I am happy you are here, my love. Come to me.
So you are alive. You are alive.
I am okay.
I'm happy. Anyanwu came to my house. He told me that you hanged yourself for my sake.
Yes, my prince. I said that because I wanted her to come.
Anyanwu, your wisdom makes me to like you the more. You may leave now. My love, I am sorry. It was just for you to come. I'm sorry.
I'm happy.
Come here.
Adamma! Adamma! Hey! Hey! Ada, where are you coming from?
Welcome, Mama. How's the farm today?
Who are you asking that stupid question? I ask you again, where are you coming from?
I was cooking. Then I started having running stomach. So I went to the bush to defecate.
Didn't it occur to you to carry down the food you were cooking before going? Eh? You allowed the whole food to burn.
I'm sorry, Mama. I promise it won't repeat itself again.
It's alright, but I'm very, very hungry. If you know what else to prepare for us to eat, go and do it. Because I'm very tired and I'm not going to cook anything.
Okay.
Move.
Adama, Mama, why did you reject that young man's proposal?
Because I'm not ready to marry now.
You're not ready to marry? Adama. But Adama, I've told you that I got married when I was 14. And you're 18 now. How can you say you are too young to get married?
Mama, I'm not ready to get married. I'm tired. I want to rest. Oh, let's just talk of something else.
Adama, I hope it's not because of the prince that you rejected that young man. You don't want to answer me?
Agunnam, I noticed for some times now you have not been eating. What is the matter?
Nothing. I'm okay.
Okay, my son. If there is anything bothering you, you let me know. I am your mother.
I am going somewhere. I hope to be back soon.
My son, be very careful.
I will.
Hey, Ma, have you heard?
Heard what?
Have you not heard that the king has vowed to disown Pisago if he continues seeing Adama?
Where did you hear that from?
You are asking me where I heard it from. I'm telling you that the king has vowed to disown Pisago if he continues seeing Adama. You're asking me where I heard it from. Keep on listening.
What was the prince's reaction to his father's statement?
That one. He's head bent on getting married to Adama.
How I wish I was this lucky.
So you are already wishing and dying that you get married to me. Hey, you are so lucky.
Okoro, Okoro, why is it that we never want to say something serious? This wood will just surface his ugly face. Why?
Is my face ugly?
But Mao, you have always wanted to get married to a shaman prince, and the shaman prince is here talking to you and you are getting angry.
Thank you. Thank
you. It's okay, just stop that kind of nonsense. I don't like it. What do you mean? What do you mean by shaman prince? This drunkard.
Stop pretending. Stop pretending. You love me so much and you don't know when and how to tell me. Just tell me now. Let me hear. Tell me now.
Okay. You want me to tell you?
Yes, I'm all ears.
Come on, let me tell you. Come.
Hey!
Please, let's go. See, like this nonsense. Stop it.
Ma, wait now. Ma, wait.
Hey! Where are you? Where is she? Come and slap me again. Give me one more slap. Oh, Ma. Ma, have you vanished? Please come and give me one more slap. Oh, Ma. Give me one more slap. Oh, Ma.
My love. There is something I want to tell you.
What is it, Agon?
Our parents don't want us to get married because of some stupid reasons, right?
Yes. So, what are we going to do?
I want us to run to somewhere.
Run?
Yes.
To where?
To any nearby village. Any nearby village where we can settle together and start making our own children.
Okay. I'll think about it.
You don't need to think about it. Just say yes.
Okay. My friends, first of all, tell me a story.
Okay, and so when it came to the kinship in the land of the animals.
Afam, take it easy.
Why are you not enjoying it?
Afam, Afam, take it.
Hey! Hold it there. Don't stand up. Just hang it there. It shall be permanent. Eh? Hey! Afam! Ma! Hey! Ma, you of all people! Hey! Ma, you have killed me. Hey! I can't believe this. Ma! Why have you brought yourself so low? Huh? To even this riffraff, son of the poorest man in this village. Look at you. And you are begging me. Hey! Man, you have killed me. This is taboo after taboo. Abomination plus abomination. Hey! My eyes have seen my ear. The king must hear this. In fact, the entire kingdom.
Okoro, please.
Are you kneeling down?
Okoro, must you talk everything you see?
Okoro.
My friend, keep quiet. Do you want me to? In fact, the only thing that will make me to leave you people and seal my mouth is, in fact, you allow me to do. Yes. What you name, my friend?
Okoro, please.
Okay. If you do, you will not talk.
If I do, my mouth closed. Yes.
Do you want us to be banished?
Hey.
Just small, let him go.
Afam.
Do you prefer how they punish us?
Talk to me. In fact, do you know what? Let me go and tell people, since you don't want to agree, I'm not doing it again. No, I'm not doing it again. Make it snappy. Okay, I'm not doing it again. In fact,
wait now, wait. The blood is too hot.
So what you do now is to vanish.
I've already vanished.
Follow him now. Follow me.
Those who could give women here. Cover your nose.
What? You vanish. Don't look at us.
Don't worry, just cover your nose. Cover your nose, don't worry.
I was on my way to your house. Okuru caught me and our family in the bush making love.
Why now? Why do you do it in the bush?
His father told him not to bring any woman to the house except he's married to her.
And what happened now?
He said he wanted his own share.
And what did you do now? What did you do?
I gave him his own share.
Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
My prince, what is this angry look on your face? Has anyone wronged you?
No one has, father. But you're about to do that now.
What do you mean by that?
I came to tell you that I still want to get married to my love, Adamma.
Now listen to me. Get ready to be disowned. Since you're not ready to listen to the wishes of your father and your mother, get ready to be disowned.
What wish are you talking about, father? What about my own wish?
You have no wish here. And you know, I'm not a man of many words.
Master,
what is it?
This girl is so stubborn. So stubborn.
What is wrong with her?
Master, she's dead.
She's dead? This is a great loss for me. This is a great loss for me, DK. Oh, DK, why? Just take her and bury her. Bury her, take her away. Go. Woman, what is the problem? Speak to me.
Your Highness, the only eyes I have, they are gone.
What are you talking about?
Your Highness, my daughter left yesterday to see your son, the prince here. And since then she has not returned. Even now, she's still not at home. Oh, Igwe.
Ago, did you see her daughter?
Father, actually yesterday we agreed to see you at our usual place. But on my getting there, I didn't see her. So I returned home.
Madioha, what is happening? What is happening to our kingdom? Another maiden is missing again. What is all this? Alright, woman, don't worry. I have met with the elders. And if our maidens do not come back today, tomorrow we will send the youths to go into the bush and the forest to search for our maidens. And I assure you that our gods will bring back our daughters and our children.
Yes, my father the king has spoken. And I in particular will make sure I bring back my Ada. You know I love her so much.
What is it again?
He got finished. He got finished. Igwe, my only sister is missing. So for one know when Igwe.
Gods of our land, what is this? What is going on?
Your Highness, what's going on in this kingdom? Woman, just take it easy. The Igwe and elders have decided to send our youths into the forest to go and look for our maidens. And they will be brought back to this kingdom. So just don't worry, be rest assured. Very soon all of them will come back. Okay? Don't worry. Just go home. All our maidens must come back. We must bring them back, I assure you.
Please don't go.
The worst has happened in this kingdom. I mean, the worst! But whosoever the kidnappers are should know they have just touched the tiger's tail. I will lead the youths of Afara Kingdom to the forest in search of our maidens.
Yes.
And until they are found, we are not coming back home.
Yes.
I must bring back my Adamma.
Agu, so because of that girl Adamma, you want to go into the forest in search of those missing girls?
Youths of our Afara Kingdom. The once very peaceful kingdom is no longer peaceful. 16 of our maidens are nowhere to be found. And that is why I am sending you to the forest to go and search all the nook and cranny of the forest and bring back our maidens. The prince of the land, Prince Agu, has volunteered to go with you. And I know the gods of our land, Amadioha, will lead you safely and bring you back with the maidens. Yes, sir. Yes,
My son, come. Kneel down here. Let me give you the blessings of our mother. It shall be well with you.
Yes, sir.
You shall go and come back in peace.
Yes, sir.
Amadioha will lead you.
Yes, sir.
And the gods of our land will bring you back.
Yes, sir. My prince.
Go and come back peacefully.
You can leave now.
We shall bring them back. Yes, we shall go and come back. Igwe, with me, all things are possible. We are bringing them.
Is Okoro also going with them?
Your Highness, Okoro volunteered to go with them. And you know, sometimes he can be useful.
No, he should not be allowed to drink.
I told them that they should not allow him to drink before the wild animals will eat him up in the bush.
My princess, you are welcome.
My king, I am so worried about our daughter. She's not happy anymore. It's like the prince doesn't love her. So I don't know what is going on and I don't know what to do. That is why I brought her here.
My queen, I have told you time without number. Let the will of the gods be done. Please.
Father, is that all you have to say?
My princess, that is all I have to say for now. Please, let us have patience to hear from the gods.
My king, the will of the gods? So for how long?
Bikogo.
Yes, my friend.
I want you to take the others. Eh? Search through Amachara forest while we head towards Umoch. Eh? If you find the maidens before me, take them back to the palace.
Move it. Move.
Let us go. Let us go.
Well, please, my prince, my bag is missing. I can't get it. Please, did anyone help me to get it?
Bro, please, forget your bag. Let us go. Huh?
But where are they going to?
But we have to split ourselves.
Okay, my prince, I'm with you.
We're gonna move. Why did they come with us?
Oh, God. Why have you decided to take my only child? Why have you decided to get my only child? Oh, God. Where am I going to start from? At my age, where am I going to start from? Hey, God.
Ego, stop crying. The youths of this kingdom have gone to the forest in search of our daughters. Believe me, the gods of these lands are not asleep. They will surely bring them back. Please stop crying. Please. Please.
Try!
Ego, please.
Your tits! You think you're healthy? I want healthy slaves. I want healthy slaves! Healthy slaves, I want. Fight! Now I have so many girls. And that means more money for me. And the white men will come and buy them off. And that means more money for you. Yes! Quiet! 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 I have seen the one that brightens my heart, illuminates me. Container! Container! Shut up! Up! Shut up! Take her to my chambers. Take her to my chambers.
Move it!
Quiet! Quiet!
Have some food now. I don't feel like eating.
I can make it many ways.
Let's have a walk. Come. Let's have a
Stop arguing.
Your pregnancy is becoming obvious. What are your plans for it?
I'm still confused. I think I will go to Afam's father and tell him that his son impregnated me.
That's what you should do. But Ma, come. I heard that Okoro went to the evil forest with the youth of our village to look for our missing maidens.
And how is that my business?
I know it's not your business, but for Okoro, the Okoro that we all know.
Oh please, Ada, anything concerning Okoro is not my business. You know I have too many things bothering me.
I know. It's okay now, it's okay.
I will just go to our farm's father.
Yeah, that's what you should do.
I think I will too. I will do exactly what I told Ada. I will go to Afam's house and tell his father that I'm pregnant for his son. Yes, his father is a nice man. I know he would tell me to pack my things and come and start staying with them. Yes, he will ask me to come and live with them. Yes, that's what I will do. Yes.
Afam, I don't know what is wrong with you. Since I gave birth to you, you have always been a disgrace, both to yourself and to this family. What exactly is wrong with you?
What have I done this time now? What have I done? If you are supposed to not have peace in this house, Afam.
Greetings, my daughter.
I'm pregnant for Afam and he's denying it.
Afam, have you heard what she said?
She said she's pregnant.
And what have you got to say now?
Papa, she's lying, you know. She's lying, Papa. Are you mad? Balu, I used to see them, she and Okoro. Okoro is responsible. Okoro is responsible. You think I don't know? All this time you people have been sleeping inside the bush and doing everything. Didn't you tell me you love me?
Wait, what do you mean? Papa is lying, no?
Papa, this.
Okay, wait, Afam. But you have been sleeping with her.
Why are you supporting her now? But this is a child of a drunkard. Take your time. Stop involving me. Why you see? Stop involving me. Stop involving me.
You forget when you're
Why it's not me?
But you have been sleeping with her.
Papa, inside the bush. He has been sleeping with me. Papa, I'm seriously, I will not lie.
Okay, don't worry, my daughter. You will go home now to your father's house. Carry your belongings and come back to this place. The two of you will start living together as husband and wife. My daughter, go home and get your things. Yes. Afam, be prepared to be a husband. He must live with you as husband and wife. Go now, my daughter. Go and bring your things.
Why are you so cruel to me?
You will not understand. But one day, I will tell you the reason why, Adama.
So, what do you intend to do with us?
Us? Us? Adama, you're no more a slave girl. You do not belong to the slave girls. Listen, I have a very soft spot for you. And I make so much money selling girls to the white man.
That's evil.
Evil? Okay, let's change the topic.
Well, I'm missing my mother. And I'm sure she's missing me too. She's very worried about me. I want to see her.
Don't worry, you will soon reunite with your mother. You'll soon be with your mother. Don't worry. Ada.
What is the problem?
Oh, I'm tired. Yeah? We have been roaming about this forest for days now. We have not found this girl. Yeah? And my bag is missing. I can't even find my bag. The little otananya I kept in my bag is missing. The thing that has been keeping me.
Okoro, will you just shut up? Will you just shut up? What is wrong with you?
But you know, Nadia.
Let's just shut up!
Yes.
Did anyone force you to come? You complaining about your missing bag when I'm looking for my missing love! My love!
Our love, my queen. Yes, I can see.
Let's just shut up!
My husband, you're going to the farm. What should I prepare for you so that when you come back, you have something to eat?
Look, I was not your husband. I am not your husband. And I will never be your husband, even in the next life. If you're looking for who to call your husband, go and meet Okoro. Go and call Okoro your husband. Or better still, call my father your husband. He brought you here. Apuna.
So this is why...
Apuna.
Come! Who is talking about corn there? You were giving corn one after the other. If I hear pimp, you shut up there. You need water, you drink your blood.
We need water.
Two. You shut up. Come, shut up. Silence! Listen, we need a quiet environment.
Gods of our land, we need liberation from you. Your children are suffering. Oh gods, come to our aid.
Your gods are dead. And they cannot hear you now. Did you hear that? If I hear noise again, I will bring all of you out here and give you 20 slices of cane. You've been led into some bitter forest. The way only DK is God. No noise! Keep quiet! Silence! We need a quiet environment. My brother. Any more noise, I will get you all outside here. I'll give you 20 slices of cane. Yes!
Can you hear that? I love this business.
Very, very lucrative business. I love it too.
All we do is cast guests and make money! A lot of money! you have fun!
My king, your food is ready. Come and eat.
I want to be left alone, my queen.
My king begs.
I said I want to be left alone, queen.
Can you imagine? Adama that is supposed to be on our side. She's not busy enjoying herself with DK.
Don't say that. Adama is not like that. She might be there fighting for us.
And who told you that?
I know Adama very well. Are you sure you know her? I know Adama. She's never like that.
Hey!
Adama has a good heart.
Who said that?
How dare you? Huh? So you have mouth. Go get her. Fools!
Who said that? I know it must be you.
No, not
now come here. Come here! Come here!
Uba! Uba!
My leader.
Go and get me a dama. Go into the hut. Go inside. Inside. I'm sorry. I can't hold you. I'm sorry.
Wait! This is Obote Forest. The land of the dead! What are you arguing again? Uchenna! What is wrong with you? The princess, you need people! I'm not going to this forest with you. Never! Never! See, let me tell you, if you people are not entering this forest, me, I'm entering with him. We'll go! We'll go! Let's move!
Don't I have the right to see my fellow slave girls anymore?
Adama, don't say such a word. Don't. Listen, you do not belong to the slave girls. You belong to me. You belong to me, Dike. You are my happiness. My morning sun. The queen of my heart. You don't belong to slave girls.
I belong to the slave girl. I am a slave girl. I told you already that my heart belongs to someone else. So just allow me go and meet my fellow slave girls.
What? Adama, you belong to me, Dike. And don't move. Don't ever move.
Just leave me alone.
Don't move. Don't move. I told you, you are my happiness. My morning sun.
Adama.
Mama.
I know you're not yet an adult, but I think it's time you knew my story. Remember I told you that I got married to your father when I was 14 years old, and that I gave birth to you 10 years after, due to the help of the gods of our land.
Yes, Mama, you did.
Good. But what I did not tell you is that when I was still living in my village, before I moved to this village, to this kingdom, war broke out between my village and this kingdom. The prince of that kingdom led a great war party, and I was bathing outside after I finished killing and slaughtering my people.
He sent his cats to fetch me. And then he forcefully slept with me. After which I became pregnant. And I gave birth to a son. And I named him Dike, which means strong warrior. I also gave him a mark right here, the same place I gave you yours, to signify a strong son from a strong warrior.
Mama, wait, let me understand something. You mean King Ago, the king of our land?
Yes, the same King Ago.
But is here where he impregnated you?
No. No. There's no way I could have told him. There's no way.
So, where is the baby now?
Adama.
Mama.
Another war broke out between my village and another kingdom. And my mother ran away with him, and I never set my eyes on both of them since that time. And I believe that they are both dead.
What a cruel world. Mama, stop crying. Don't cry, please.
My sunshine, my love, the only woman that I love so much. Huh? Why are you so quiet? Why are you not talking? Huh? Tell me what is the problem and I will solve it. Listen, I have never gone to any battle and lost. In the whole of this kingdom, I, Dike, am the strongest. What is the problem, my love? Tell me.
Why are you so strange? The whole world has become strange. Darkness has befallen the day. Rain has been on dry season. Sun shining at night.
Yeah, why are you talking in parables? What do you mean?
What is your origin?
My origin. It is an experience no man would want to go through. I never had any motherly love. There was no mother for me.
Ego, I've been thinking, why did you decide to give your son such a tribal mark?
He's a son of a strong warrior.
Strong warrior? And who is the father?
Oma, what are you doing here? Must you know everything? Stand up and go to your father's hut.
Yes, Nne.
You see, 10 years ago, while I was hunting in the forest, I came in contact with some white men while I was hunting. And I had a contract with them to catch girls, kidnap girls and sell to them.
The world is very little, but so wild. Such a strange world. So I later met my brother. Yes, he's truly my brother.
prince. I'm tired.
No, Okoro.
I'm fed up.
Okoro, just be strong, okay?
Okay.
I never knew you were this strong man.
Okay, my prince.
Did you hear that?
Yes. I heard it.
Back. Go back.
My prince, is that no you are that man? I not see what I'm seeing.
My love. Ike.
My prince.
Mbono.
My prince.
Follow me. Okoro, you people remain here, take cover.
Okay. My prince.
Yes.
I'm willing to die with you.
Then let's go.
Okoro, keep calm.
Me already.
Look at that man.
My love.
My prince.
What?
My prince.
Come here! Come here!
Who are these men?
How dare you walk into my territory?
Where are you coming from? How dare you question a man in love? I can do anything for my Ada. You can do anything for your Ada. Yes, I have good news for you. Your Ada sleeps with me. Wait, where did you get this from?
What do you mean when I want to slay you?
Sorry. Sorry.
My son, I've told you the story about how you were born.
Mama, sorry. It's okay.
But I have another secret to tell you.
What secret, Mama?
You see this sword beside you?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
That sword is a royal sword. Your father forgot it when he slept with your mother at the verse of war. It's only a royal blood
Sorry, Mama.
that you can see this sword with. And your father is a prince before he slept with your mother.
Sorry, Mama.
At the verse of war. Take care.
Mama. 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 And how did you come about yours?
Mama, he's your son.
What did you say?
Yes, Mama.
The son you told me died in a war with your grandmother.
Mama.
Hey! Israel!
come to rescue. I am my lele, I am my lele, I am my lele.
Igwe, he is your son.
No.
I am the young girl you forcefully slept with when you came to fight our people. I was just 12 years old and you saw me bathing and you raped me.
Oh.
This is the product of that.
No. No, you mean this is the product of that pregnancy? So this is my son?
Yes, Your Highness.
My son! My son! Son!
Father. Father. Father.
So this is true?
Yes, Father. Yes.
See, today,
my people, today is a very joyous day, a divine day of happiness. Today, the maidens are here, they are back. My son, Prince Agu, is also here. And today, I have recovered my new son. Today is a wonderful day in our kingdom. Prince Agu, you can now marry Adama. Yes. Today we will feast and drink. My people, I'm so happy today.
May the gods be praised.
He said,
When you're not, you are not.